What is a label? Did you know that words have meanings? Letters and words can be used to represent plants, animals, objects, places, and people in the world. I can label. Let's look at the picture. What do you see? What do you see in the picture? I see a flower. This is the word or label for flower. See how the arrow is pointing to the flower? And here's the word flower. I see a leaf. Here's a leaf. And here's the word for leaf. Look at it. Say it with me. Ready? Leaf. The arrow is pointing to the leaf. I see a stem. Do you see the stem here holding up the flower? Well, this word right here is stem. And this label is pointing to the flower's stem. What's this? I see soil. Here's the word soil. And this label is pointing to the soil. Soil is like dirt. And let's look what the flower is in. It's in a pot. Here's the label for pot. And this label is pointing to the pot. So I see a flower. I see a leaf. I see a stem. I see soil. I see a pot. Here's the word pot. Let's read the sentence. When you read the sentence, do you see this little magic dot? I'm going to point to each dot underneath each word. I want you to place your finger on the dot as we read each word. Ready? I see a flower. How many words are in this sentence? Can you count them? Let's count them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 words in this sentence. Let's read it again. Ready? I see a flower. We can even read it faster. Ready? Stay with the pointer. I see a flower. Good job. Now it's your turn. I want you to read the words out loud as my pointer touches them. Ready? Good job. Now I want you to touch each word and read that sentence to your learning coach. Good job. Let's read it together. Ready? I see a flower. Good job. Now the next part of our lesson that you're going to see is you are going to see a black and white picture that looks just like the last page. But what you're going to do is you are going to drag these words and cover the label in the box. So you're going to take this label and drag it to the box. And make sure that it says the same thing. You're going to be doing this in your next activity. So let's read the labels together. Ready? Do the best you can. What does this look like? Well, it looks like this word. And that's a stem. So this must be stem. This one starts with a f. What does this word say? Here it is. It's a flower. Good job. What about this word? S. Well, here it is. You see it? And it's pointing to the soil. Good job. This word, look at here. Oh. Let's see. Oh. That's not an O. Here it is. Leaf. Good job. And one more word left. Ready? Oh, right here. Pot. And so you would drag this over and cover the pot. Then with your learning coach, you are going to read the sentence again while you point to each word. Ready? I see a flower. Good job. The last page, you are going to have to look at this word and you're going to have to tell me what it looks like. And then you're going to drag this label to where it belongs on this chart. So let's see. S, and it ends with an S. Oh, I know. Stem. And I would drag this picture and put it over the box. And then when you're done, you're going to read, I see a flower. And your poster is going to be nicely labeled. Here's your assignment. First, you're going to do the 2 worksheets and the next 2 activities. Then, in your CVA bin are some note cards. You are going to find 5 things in the kitchen, like the sink, refrigerator, microwave, stove, cups, floor, light switch. It can be anything. I want you to pick 5 things that are in the kitchen. While you're doing that, your learning coach is going to write the name of the object. So if you picked, let's say, refrigerator, your learning coach will give you a label and you're going to tape the label on the object. And learning coaches, make sure you put a dot under each word. Then, after you've labeled your 5 items, then you're going to take a video. You're going to, your child is going to show me the label on 5 objects and tell me the names of each object. For example, they would say, if we put the label on the refrigerator, they would say, I see a refrigerator. And they're going to do that for all 5 objects. And then I want you to upload that assignment on here for today's activities.